Hello everybody, Uber Lady Charlotte here, and it's about 9:28 p.m. I'm doing some work this way. See the computer light on. Still trying to get, my files ready for 2018, so life would be a little easier for me at work to be, to be a little more organized. But I got to tell you what happened today, because y'all know something about crazy every day happens to me. So so we know about my hypercalcemia and the parathyroidism that I have. So I'm supposed to go today get lab tests. They told me before Christmas to come after Christmas to go get my labs. All right, so I did that today. I fell off in the shower. So anyway, I go get my blood drawn for the labs. All right, I'm expecting that. But when I get in there, I just lost my internet connection. I'm sorry. I'm getting ready to jump off jump off subject for just a moment. This internet has been going in and out for the last 2 days. Ever since 2018 came in, the internet connection won't stay. And so now it's out again, so I'm liable not to have internet for the rest of the night. So I have to put it a DVD or something. But anyway, so that means I can't work on, no, I can still work on my computer. I just use my phone hotspot. But anyway, going back to the story. All right, so I go get my lab work done today. And that's all that I'm expecting, okay? I get in there, and she asked me my name, and I told her. She asked me my birth date, I told her. And she goes to, for me to verify my address. I do. She said, okay, well, I see here you also have to have a urine bag. I said, what? She said, you get a urine bag. I said, to do what with? She said, to put urine in it. I said, why you want my urine? I'm supposed to give you my blood, not my urine. She said, when's your birthday again? And I told her. And I said, my name is Kimberly. That's so I tell her my last name. She said, right, that's right. I say, yeah, my address, da-da-da-da-da. She said, yeah, that's right, you get a urine bag. She's like, let me go get it. So I'm sitting there thinking, a urine bag? What the hell is this? And then, am I supposed to walk out of here with a urine bag? All right, so she comes back. Oh, I got it right here in front of me, what she gave me, whole thing. Let me get it turned around here. And then I explained to you. Nurse Donna, I'm going to need you to talk to me. Nurse Donna and all my other doctors and nurses that are on here, I need somebody to talk to me because I got questions. I was laughing so hard at the doctor's office. In my little room with the glass door. And I'm like, okay, I'm 48 years old. I'll be 49 this year. I'm like, I'm 48 years old and you giving me a urine bag. She said, we pass these things out all the time. I said, oh, okay, maybe so. Maybe to the seniors you give it to them, but you're not supposed to be giving me the urine bag. That's not sexy at all. So now she goes through the instructions. She come back with this 3-piece kit. Let me turn around the 3-piece kit. That is the 3-piece kit. The white bag, the cup to catch the urine, and this box with a tag on it. On the other side, it's got a date and start time. All right, so there's my urine bag. This is a big ass bag. You hear me? That's a big box. And she said that I'm supposed to pee in it for 24 hours. And it's going to inflate. See that it's indented in there. This is going to inflate and turn into a triangle or a square. It's going to turn into a square or a triangle or something. And I'm supposed to fill this up in 24 hours. That's a lot of urine. That's 3,500 milliliters. 3,500 milliliters? All right. So I say, so what I'm supposed to do? She said, well, you take something's sticking me. She said, you take this thing, and she said, you put it on the toilet, and then you urinate in it. Every time you go. So I have to have a start time. And she said, oh, and you can't go anywhere that day. I said, I got to go to work tomorrow. She said, well, no, don't do it tomorrow. Do it on Sunday. I say, Sunday? She said, yeah, start sometime on Sunday. Like, she told me to start like 1 o'clock on Sunday then I should be done. No, I should be done by Monday morning. So 1 o'clock Sunday. No, that ain't gonna work. That's my dilemma, coming in with when I'm supposed to start using this thing. So maybe, but she said so I can bring it in on Monday morning. So maybe I'm supposed to, maybe if I do it on Friday. No, I could do it on Sunday. She said do it on Sunday. So what time would I need to start? Because I want it to be over soon. So it's got to be 24 hours worth of urine. So if I started about, okay, Saturday night. I can start Saturday night. Yeah, I can start Saturday night at midnight. Because I'm a diabetic, so I pee every hour. So, yeah. So Sunday at midnight. No. Saturday at midnight. Take me till midday noon. And then from midday noon on Sunday, then I do another round till midnight. That's 24 hours, right? I don't know. I got to do my calculation again. I don't know. All right. So anyway, if y'all could tell me my calculation, calculate it for me. It's got to be 24 hours. This little receipt over here got to say when I do my start time and end time. Then I got to make sure it's the same time I start and then 24 hours later and end. All right, so I put the urine in here. She said catch it all. And then I pour it carefully into this. Now get this part. That's a big ass container supposed to inflate and turn to a... You see how deep that bastard is? I got to drink a lot of water. So then this is the part. She said, and you got to keep it cold. I said, I got to keep it cold? How am I supposed to keep it cold? She said, well, some people buy a cooler and they put ice in a cooler and they keep it inside of that. She said some people keep it in their refrigerator. I said, you want me to keep my urine in my refrigerator next to my food? She was laughing because she thought it was hilarious. And she said, well, yeah. So I said, okay, I'll think of something. I'll work something out. So now I'm thinking, I see why she don't want me to go nowhere now. Because if I use it and I take my urine box and my cup and my bag, I got to keep everything in my bag, then I got to take it everywhere I go. But I ain't going to have no way to keep it cool or cold. It can't be cool. It's got to be cold. And I ain't going to lug no cooler to the job and keeping my urine in it. You know how that is a pick at me? To know I'm lugging my urine around in an ice chest. So I guess I can't go do Uber on Sunday. That's cutting into my money. I can't go on Sunday. Because I got to lug my box around. My urine bag box thing. And fill it up. And my cup holder thing. How many liters on that? How many? That's... Oh. That is 900. Let me see. Them in ounces. Oh, that's milliliters. It's 30 ounces or 900 milliliters. 30 ounces or 900 milliliters. That's 900 milliliters. And this thing was 3,500 millimeters. 9 to 35. Okay, I add it up later. All right, so. Now, okay, this is my other question. Because I'm going to need some help with filling this box up. No, I don't need that kind of help. I don't need nobody to help me urinate in the bag box thing. I wonder, this is where I need Nurse Donna and my other nurses and my other doctors on here, my doctors. Can I drink dinner wine or beer to help me fill this up? Because if I have some beer, which I'm not a big fan of beer, I do like Coronas. But if I'm not a big fan of beer, but if I wonder, can I drink beer? That'll help me get it full. And is that going to mess with my fluids and my levels? Or can I drink dinner wine to help me get the thing filled up? Or is that going to mess up my test? See, that's what I need to help with. But somebody tell me what 24 hours is. I don't want to add it up on my fingers. So what time I need to start so I could be done on time. I need to call this cable place back and tell them my internet is out. And I'm going to need that so I can go to sleep. If I don't get that, I'm going to have to watch Shrek on my other laptop. I love Shrek. I don't mind watching it. So, guess I could sit here and roll some coins to pass the time away. Got my bag. I found out this is therapeutic for me to roll my coins. It's therapeutic. It's therapeutic. All right, well, I just thought I'd let y'all know what happened to me today. I feel, man, age catching up with me. It's catching up. It's catching up. Anybody else out there feel the way I feel? I thought I'd be young and spry forever, but now I got urine cups, and I got to put the liters in there, urine cups, urine bag boxes, and I got to hide my stuff in this bag they gave me. What else is in here? Let me see. Oh, them gloves. Them my dollar store gloves I bought. It was cold today. I've been at work since 5:30 this morning. What is this? Maybe these are my instructions. Let me see. Collection of time urine samples. Well, let's read the directions. Number 1, obtain a large urine container from the outpatient facility or attending physician's office. What? Urine container. Is that my container? No, that's my cup. Maybe this is my container. This is my urine container. Number 2, hand label specimen container on pre-attached label or tag. That's my tag right there dangling. That's my tag. That's where it's got the start and end date. Then it says on first morning collection, discard urine. This will be the collection start time. Record this time on the label. On first morning collection, discard urine. So do they want me to keep that urine or don't keep that urine? On first morning collection, discard the urine. This will be the collection start time. Record this time on the label. So do they not want me to keep that urine? And get it on the next one, get number 2 in there? Okay, number 4, void, parentheses, urinate. That's what it say. Into the white plastic container provided by the laboratory. Void, where urinate into the white. On the first morning collection, discard the urine. This will be the collection start time. Put that on the label. Then number 4, it says urinate into the white container. I still don't know. Do I keep that first urine or get rid of the first urine? And number 5, pour this urine into the large urine container provided by the laboratory. So go in the white container, pour it over to the brown one. Got that. 6, collect all urine for the time specified for your collection, 24 hours. Number 7, at the end of the collection time period, empty your bladder. Be sure to include this last specimen. Note the date and time on the label and end date and time. Do not exceed 24-hour time period, capital letters in parentheses. Keep the container refrigerated or on ice during the entire collection period. It's cold. It's cold out there. It's cold as Frosty's wife's nipples out there. I'm telling you right there. It's cold. I may just set my collection outside in a box because it's cold. It was 8 degrees this morning. I know because I was in it. That's where my stuff gonna get cold. It might freeze out there at 8 degrees. 7, at the end of the, 8, keep the container refrigerated or on ice during the entire collection period. Now, I ain't gonna want to keep going out there, opening up that patio door, trying to get my collection to pour it in. All right. Number 9, specimen may then be returned as soon as possible to the site where the urine container was originally obtained, unless otherwise specified by the lab. Return as soon as possible. Guess I got to take it before I go to work on Monday. Can't take it to work. Got to take it straight to the doctor, so I'll be late to work on Monday. Safety features. It says safety features. Tighten lid on the container. That's all they have for safety features. Tighten lid on the container. Please call laboratory services with any questions about the test. I'm going to have to ask them, can I drink dinner wine? Can I have beer? Because they didn't tell me nothing. And if they didn't tell me nothing that time, about this urine collection, they just told me laboratory tests. Go to the labs. That's what they said. I guess the urine collection, that's part of the labs, ain't it? Anyway, I got this project to work on. I don't know how I'm going to fitting that into my busy work week. Okay, I'm going to put that on the bed. I get that later. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. Trying to create a CDL practice test from a book lesson that I downloaded. So anyway, I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm going to lay down and think about my collection period. So, all right. Happy New Year, guys. And I'll talk to y'all later. I'll keep y'all posted on this whole collection thing. Because I'm getting so up there in age. I'm getting up there. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, okay?